What is a remodeling cost of a 3-fixture bathroom in May of 2025? So first, what is a 3-fixture bathroom? We call a 3-fixture bathroom a bathroom that's usually a smaller size, and it'll have a single lavatory, a toilet, and a tub or a shower. Remodeling these bathrooms would include removing the vanity, the mirror, the light fixture, the toilet, the floor tile, baseboards, the tub, the wall tile, any shower doors that are located in this bathroom. We would then put in all new products, new vanity cabinet, usually semi-custom with a quartz countertop, a new mirror, light fixture, skimming all the drywall in the bathroom to be able to paint it, putting down new floor tiles, upgrading your baseboards, putting in a new tub and tile on the walls. So a bathroom with a tub with that description would start around $23,000 to $25,000. And if you had a shower in that configuration, it would be $25,000 to $27,000. For more information on bathroom remodeling costs, go to tampakitchenandbath.com.